Jai Sriman-Narayana.
Now Rama is saying that, oh Lakshmana, we already heard that there are so many rishis and munis staying over there here. So let us just go around. Like that, three of them started going around, and finally they went into a ashramam which is of Valmiki Maharshi ashramam. So they went in there. Valmiki Maharshi gave them warm welcome. Now Rama, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana and Valmiki Maharshi, all of them sat together. Ramachandra Swami started introducing himself to Valmiki Maharshi. In this conversation process, Ramachandra Swami also instructing Lakshmana that, oh Lakshmana, this is the best place for us. So let us construct a Parnasala here on this Chitrakutam, and let us make our staying place here itself on this Chitrakutam. Like that, Ramachandra Swami in front of Valmiki Maharshi instructing to Lakshmana Swami. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them met with Valmiki Maharshi, and after talking to Valmiki Maharshi, three of them left from that ashramam. Ramachandra Swami instructed Lakshmana to build Parnasala. Lakshmana collected all the material and built a beautiful Parnasala. Then Rama saying to Lakshmana that, oh Lakshmana, kartavyam vastu samanam saumitre chiraji vibhihi. Let us do Vastu Puja. Vastu Puja, Vastu Shanti brings all those who are living in that house a long life, Dirgha Ayushu. That is why Kartavyaha Shastra Drushtohi Vidhihi Dharmam Anusmara. That is why, according to the scripture, let us do Vastu Puja. Rama also has fixed a Muhurtam. That Muhurtam brings good luck and brings courage to all those who are living in that house. So for that Muhurtam, Lakshmana made all the arrangements. Then Ramaha Snatvatu Niyato Gunavan Japyako Vidaha. Rama went to lake and took his bath, took his shower, and then came back with all kind of rules and regulations. Now he did Vastu Homam. After that Vastu Homam, Rama also did Vaisvadeva Bali, Rudra Yagam, Vishnu Yagam, and also some of the japa, some of the mantras he did chanted to bring some kind of peaceful vibrations. With all that, after doing all this, again Rama went and did Snanam. Then he gave Krura Bhuta Bali. He did that. And Sri Ramachandra Swami did Ashtadikpalaka Bali. After that, three of them made a small Puja Mandiram in that Parnasala. Then Sita Sameta Ramachandra Swami, along with Sitamma, Sri Ramachandra Swami entered into Parnasala. That is how they did their Parnasala Pravesham. Then Ramachandra Swami made arrangements for cooking in the southeast corner, Agneyam kitchen. In that Parnasala, which is built according to Vastu Shastram, three of them started living. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.